Working as a truck driver may put you at risk for certain injuries. Do truck drivers have a remedy for when they're wronged? Would you like to hear more? Join us as we discuss truckers' rights. I'm Yao Denizulu, a truck accident trial attorney located in Chicago, Illinois. First, truck drivers, like every other worker, have rights guaranteed by their state that their employer must abide by. This includes workers' compensation laws. When a truck driver employee is injured on the job, regardless of fault, the employer is required to pay workers' compensation to the truck driver, which may include the time the driver is off of work and his or her medical bills and for what's called total temporary disability. This may be the case even if your employer calls you an independent contractor. Second, not all truck accidents happen while a driver is on the road. Many injuries happen when a driver is loading or unloading a shipment. It's not uncommon to hear about injuries that happen when loading and unloading equipment, such as lift gates, chase pins, winch bars, pallet jacks, chains, etc., when they don't function as expected and injures the truck driver. Third, the truck driver often take their breaks away from home and eat and sleep at truck stops, which face a lot of incoming and outgoing traffic. These premises should be kept clean and clear to prevent falls and slips, whether the truck driver is walking or bringing in a vehicle in or out of the truck stop. Like truck stops, loading and unloading premises must also be safe and clear so the trucker can work properly. There are often cases when truck drivers fall from elevations while loading and unloading. Cases included falling while making upper level deliveries, falling into openings or unclear stairs, stepping into holes. Remember, truck drivers aren't familiar and can't control the terrain where they may be making their deliveries. It is the shipper or the receiver's responsibility to keep their premises clean and the traffic throughout their yard safe. Remember, if you're injured in a truck accident, you may be able to collect compensation from both your employer and one or more third party, such as an equipment manufacturer, a truck stop, or a loading site. It takes a skilled truck accident injury attorney to review your case and find all the parties responsible for causing your harm. Now, I know you may be watching this video because you have your own questions or have a loved one who's a truck driver who's out of work due to an injury. Call the number below. We are here to answer all of your questions and help you navigate through this difficult time. I'm Yao Denizulu, a truck accident trial attorney in Chicago, Illinois. Thank you for joining me.